So in this question, you need to determine the variable cost and the fixed cost, because we know that the cost of rental is however much you drive plus a certain cost that you need to pay before you can get the car out of the garage, which is the fixed cost. So let's look back to the question. How much do you need to pay regardless of how many kilometers you drive? In this case, it's the $99. And then on top of the $99, I'm telling you that for every kilometer that you drive over 100 kilometers, you need to pay me $11. Sorry, you need to pay me 11 cents on top of that. So we have here is the general equation of the formula of a straight line y equals to mx plus c. So obviously the C represents a fixed cost that I have, and MX in this case tells me about the variable cost. And the M talks about the unit rate of change, or something per something. So for example, it is $5 for every hot dog that you want to buy. So here, in this case, let's refer back to the question that I have. So my cost of rental, it told me no matter what I do, I need to pay a $99 already. So that's my second part of my equation. And the first part tells me the rate of change, something per something of my gradient is 0.11. That is my rate of change. But let's look at whatever my x is. In this case, it says the rate of change is applied to every kilometer I drive over 100. So every kilometers that I drive over 100. So that means that whatever I drive has to be over 100. Okay, so if I drive 99 kilometers, I don't need to pay anything. If I drive 100 kilometers, I don't need to pay anything. But if I drive 101 kilometers, the x becomes 101. Take away 100, so that means, let's go, if my x equals to 100 kilometers here. So that means, let's put that substitute. That means for every kilometer that I drive over 100, so 0.11 times by, I've driven 1 kilometer over, so times by 1 plus 99. So my cost would be 0.11 plus 99. Sorry, I do not have enough space here. So my cost of rental, if I drive 101 kilometers, will cost me 99.11 cents, $99.11.